Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here in the general section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find the backup section. Let's tap. And as you can see, we'll be immediately transferred to this Google section, so you don't have to worry that you will enter a different option. If you've got your Google account currently applied to the device, and if you want to do it, I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to add the Google account. Then you will be able to simply pick it from the list and apply it as a backup account also. However, if not, you have to add the Google account just like I have to do it right now. So let's simply add account, tap on add account, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's simply tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the information. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, complex device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And again, we've got another backup section where we can check the how much space we've got left. For example, we can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you will not be charged for example accessing the limit of mobile data. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device will back up the data. Of course, you have to confirm it with your screen lock, and your device is backing up the data, so from now on everything will be stored on your Google Drive. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.